Alright, welcome back. Now I've got your camera turned up. Hello. Alright, so you're going to need you a drill, obviously. I got I think it's a 5/38. No, a 3/32 drill bit. See, I got one of these. I got one of these to pilot hole. So I got the drill bit, and then I've got the Phillips head screw thing, and then the wood screws, which this is the one of the screws I got. Alright, so what I do is put this drill in here. You line up the corner as flat as you can get it. Drill your pilot hole right in the middle. I change it out. It's kind of a slow process. And then switch to the other end. Change the drill bits back out again. Make sure it's lined up as square as you can get it. And then we flip it around. And do the same thing to the other side. And this is why I do one corner at a time. Because as you can tell, on this piece of board, the other board's warped a little bit. But this is where it makes it easier to fix, because you can drill into the other one and screw it together. As long as you have a nice flat surface to work on. So you see this one right here? See this one right here where it's crooked? This is where it gets a little tricky. This is where having a second pair of hands helps. But when you're doing it all by yourself, it's just like that. Just gotta hold it together. Make sure it's squared as best you can. Then, for the crossbeam, this one you just got to kind of force in there like so, which helps push this one out and makes it square. So you do the same thing on this one. And it doesn't have to be completely in the middle. Mine never is. It just gives it, in my opinion, it gives it sturdy. Plus it gives you something to staple the hardware cloth to. Because you're stapling it here, you'll staple it here, and you'll staple it here. It gives it nice tension on both sides. I just find it's a lot nicer and easier. And I only do one screw per section because these are 2x2s and it's really hard to get 2 screws in them. So I always just put 1 screw in just because, as I stated, they're right in the middle. And like I said, it's a little irritating having to switch back and forth like this, but I find it easier to do it this way so you don't so that way you don't you don't want to drill too many holes and then they not line up when you go back to put them together. So that's why I do one at a time, so that way the holes line up and it makes a pretty decent square. No, they're not going to be perfect, and no, I'm not like an expert woodsman or craftsman. But like I said, oh crap, my completed frame is really, really nice. And that's how you build a frame. Alright, I'm going to build the rest of them and then we'll move on to the next step. See y'all in a little bit.